During this week, the Ferrari factories in Maranello and Modena gradually returned to full production, in line with the Back on Track program. The first car to come off the Special Series lines, after 7 weeks in which the processing was suspended just a few hours before its completion, was a Ferrari Monza SP2 with a black and grey livery. In the following days, a 812 GTS Spider in Grigio GTS and a F8 Tributo in Rosso Corsa were among the first cars completed in the 12 and 8-cylinder lines. The new Ferraris are ready to be delivered to their owners in USA, Germany, and Australia and respectively, and